Write me a 3,000-word short story about AI.
And go! Hello and welcome. Today I'm going to show you how ChatGPT works. Make sure to watch the full video to its end for discovering secret tips. This new AI allows you to generate conversational text to any question you might have. ChatGPT can even be used to summarize books and other lengthy texts, saving time and effort. The first step is to sign up for a ChatGPT account. Simply go to the ChatGPT website chat.openai.com, choose Try ChatGPT and click on the Sign Up button. Type in your email address and your password. Once you sign up, it's time to create your first outcome. You can use ChatGPT to generate text, answer questions, and perform a variety of other language tasks. The ChatGPT language model has taken the world by storm since its launch last year. But did you know there's a secret function that can take your experience with ChatGPT to the next level? Just go to the website beta.openai.com/playground. In the playground, you'll get a lot more customization options. For example, you can change the AI model. While GPT-3 is the newest and most advanced language model from OpenAI, there are other models you can choose from to see different results and learn about their differences. DaVinci 3 is currently the most advanced language model from OpenAI. It has 175 billion parameters, making it the largest and most powerful language model to date. It has been used in a wide range of applications, including chatbots, content generation, and even coding. In the playground, you can also adjust the length of your output text to maximum 4,000 characters. Now let's see what it can do for you.
Write me a 3,000-word short story about AI.
That's simple, isn't it? And here is the next topic. ChatGPT is saving all of your conversations. You may even continue to write with one of them. And the best, ChatGPT is free. Free. And that's it for today. Do you need some more information on ChatGPT? Let me know in the comments section. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.